So this is Gigabyte graphic card, AORUS GeForce RTX 4090 Extreme Waterforce 24G, and let's check the specifications of this graphic card. Deep specification. So socket number GeForce RTX 4090. Okay, and clock speed. So core clock 2565 megahertz max, and you can see the reference code 25 and 20 same. CUDA cores 16,300 and this is memory clock speed 21 GB per second. Memory size 24 GB. Memory type GDDR X6 GDDR 6X. Memory bus 384 bit, and card bus which is connect to your graphic card to your motherboard PCIe 4.0. And this is resolutions, your display resolutions, which is output to your monitor 7680 into 4320. And this is required power supply, which is 850 watts, and this is power connector 16 pin, and which is connect to your monitor output DP port, display port 3 DP port 1.4 A, 3 DP port, 1 HDMI port 2.1 A HDMI port, and fan 3 fan 120 mm. And this is accessories you can see in this box.